Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how polar bears in Norway are found fat and healthy, even as Arctic sea ice continues to melt rapidly. New research from one corner of the Arctic is now painting a far more complex picture of how these animals are adapting to climate change. Polar bears are getting fatter as the ice in the Arctic are melting quickly, and scientists suggest a fat bear is a healthy bear. This observation is contrary to the earlier notion that shrinking ice caps put them at risk of losing their habitat. At least in the Svalbard region, scientists have observed that polar bears are getting enough carbs to gain body fat. The Barents Sea has experienced a greater increase in temperature than any other region in the Arctic in the past 4 decades. It is a shallow, marginal sea of the Arctic Ocean that borders the Svalbard archipelago. The area has lost sea habitat twice as fast as any other area in the Arctic. And I would have expected to see a decline in body condition when the loss of sea ice has been so profound, said John Ars. John Ars, a scientist at the Norwegian Polar Institute, have tracked and measured 770 adult polar bears in Svalbard between 1992 and 2019, have seen that they have become plumper by feasting on land-based prey such as reindeer and walruses, species that had recovered after being overexploited by humans. He reasoned that warmer temperatures have also made it easier for the polar bear to hunt, as seals have smaller areas of sea ice available to them, often gathering collectively in those areas, providing a hunting ground for them. Researchers have also found that melting ice is pushing polar bears to get creative on land. Some of them would be on land as much as 90% of the time now, which is a lot, said John Ars. However, the similar dynamics cannot be attributed to polar bears in Hudson Bay, northeastern Canada. Sarah Cubanes, a researcher at the French Environmental Research Centre, has said that the Svalbard findings are surprising as polar bears in other regions have greatly lost their body mass. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.